Okay, so this is a video talking about the exam. Okay, so basically the exam will cover chapter 1 to chapter 3. So in this exam review, I just will cover some key points of each chapters and most part and some questions probably will be similar in the exam. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so first of all, this exam will be you know some question about the syntax and how to use them. Then is ask you how to come to do some conversion like binary to the hexadecimal, binary to the decimal, something like that. And we'll ask you, I give some code. You should read the code, understand the code, and answer the questions. Also, I will provide a bonus question. So this will give you, some opportunity. You can um, make up some points you maybe you don't understand the question or you miss the point. Okay, so first of all is chapter 1. So chapter 1, basically we talk about, we spend the most of the time on conversion, right? So basically we have a conversion is from um, binary to the decimal. Okay, so first of all, you need to know what is binary. Okay, binary is a number. Okay, base 2. Okay, so that means all binary. Okay, you need to know is only have numbers 0 or 1. Okay, so if you got like 2 or 3, okay, basically they are not belong to the binary number. Okay, so another one is hexadecimal. So hexadecimal is base 16. Okay, so 16 number is include hex hexadecimal number include from 0 to 9. Okay, and A to F. Okay, basically the A is 10, right? And the F is 15. So total of them, you got 16 numbers, okay? So another one is the common one we call this decimal number. Okay, decimal number is base 10. Okay, base 10, which means you got 10 numbers from 0 to 9. Okay, so after that, you should know, how to convert decimal number. Okay, so first of all, you should know how to do like what's the decimal number. So basically, if you got best decimal number like 120, okay, so basically, if we want to convert, how can we convert? First of all, you need to know decimal is base 10. Okay, so which means each of them you got base 10. Okay, so then we have index, so index from right to left. Okay, and begin with 0. Okay, that means right now this 2 is over there, this 1 is over there, this one is over there. Okay, then you got 1 time, 2 time 0. Okay, so once you plus them out, it's 100. This is 20. This is 0. Then you get 120. Okay, based this idea, okay, if you have some something you want to convert to the decimal, okay, we just the time with their base number. Okay, so this is example. Binary, okay, basically we got this binary number, okay, 1100. Okay, the first thing we need to do is just to have a index, okay, from right to left. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, then we just need to do is we time those with their base number. Okay, so base number binary is 2. So basically 1 time 2, 3. Okay, because this one is for 3, right? Then plus 1 is 2 power 2. Okay, then it's time 0, 0. Okay, then we got to the number. Okay, basically this is will be 12. Okay, so 8. Okay, 4, 0 plus 0, then you get 12. Okay, so this is the idea how to convert decimal. We need time with their base number. Okay, so another one is how you convert hexadecimal to the decimal. Okay, so this one will be very similar. Okay, but you should know each letter stand for which decimal number basically, right? So A to F is 10 to 15. Okay, so basically, so A is equal to 10 and F is equal to 15. Okay, once we know that, so A, F, we know the index 0, 1. Okay, so basically is A time A, which is 16, right? The base 16. So you need a time base 16, index 1, and F 16, 0. Okay, so we know A is 10. Okay, 16, 1 plus 15 time with 1. Okay, then you got the result is 175. Okay, so this is the same with how we do converse decimal, right? So every time if we binary to the decimal, you need know just the time with base number. Hex decimal to decimal, you need the time with base number as well. So how can we do, how we convert decimal to the binary? Okay, so in the class I gave the two ways, right? So one way, we just find the closest number, right, to the target number, right? Then we just time them out, then you got the result. Okay, so in this example, how you can do, you 45. Okay, so let's see, 2, 4, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 0. Okay, this is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. If the 6 is just 30, 64. Okay, so obviously 64 is larger this one, so the next one is closest one, right? So in the 45 minus 32, you got how much? 13. Okay, so this one is 250. Okay, it's 2 5. Okay, then you got 13. You time in the find the closest one. Okay, basically 13 is between this, so we need to find the smallest one, the closest one, and smaller. So it's 8. So 8 is 2 3. Okay, so we got, what's the number? It's 5. Okay, so 5, we need to find another number, the closest one. So basically it is 2 2, right? 4 2 2. Then you got this 1. Okay, when you 1, basically is equal to this one. Okay, is 0. Okay, so basically we use with this 4 numbers. Okay, so how to do that? Once you got those things, okay, you need to do is we mark them down. This 1, okay, 3 is 1, 2 is 1, there is 1. Okay, so if you just got them, right, is 1 0 1. Do we got 2? Okay, we got 2 so over there. Oh, this is 1 3 1. Okay, 1. Do we got 1? No, we got no 1. Okay, so then you just a timeout. So basically you got 2 5, you got 2 3, you got 2 8. Okay, 2 2, you got 2 0. So this things with 1, right? 1 1 and 1. Okay, so the results will be 1 0 1 1 0 1. Okay, so this is this number. Okay, so we give another way we can do the conversion. Okay, basically we just every time we divide by 2 and get a remainder. Okay, so in this way, so we just doing 45. So we time 2. So it's 2 is 20. Is that one? 2 2 2. Okay, so reminder's over there. So it's 1. Okay, then 22 divided by 2 is 11, right? There's no remainder, so put 0. Then we divide by 2 is 5, remainder is 1, right? Then 2 divided by, okay, 2 2, we have remainder is 1. Okay, 2 divided by 2 is 1, so remainder is 0. Okay, at this point, so we want to divide 1 divided by 2. Basically, we cannot completely to divide, right? So at this time, we only have one number remaining. That's 1, right? Then we read them from bottom to top, which is 1 0 1 1 0 1. Okay, so in the in the in the class you can use these 2 ways to do this. Okay, so no matter you using this gets the results using this, or you every time you divide it by 2, so both of them can be work for the exam. Okay.